Happening now, local governments figuring out their next steps with the COVID-19 crisis. Some governments across the country have furloughed hundreds of workers. News 5's Allison Zimmerman explaining what our local leaders are doing to avoid leaving people without pay.
City and even county leaders tell me it's a little early to be discussing layoffs or furloughs, but they are keeping a close eye on it. And in the meantime, they just want to make sure their employees are taken care of.
We don't know where we are at this point in time.
As Colorado nears the 1-month mark of the coronavirus impacting places like schools and businesses, some local governments are taking a look at how to make sure budgets stay healthy.
We have met with the departments and
in Colorado Springs, city department heads sent proposed budget reductions last week. These are for operational costs, not personnel. Furloughs or layoffs could be considered later on. The city will have a better idea on sales tax collections in the next couple of months.
Obviously, what we're working on is trying to get through this medical crisis.
In Pueblo, the city employs about 850 workers. And while not on a hiring freeze right now, the city is not conducting civil service tests, which they use as a prerequisite for applicants. The mayor says the city doesn't plan to furlough or lay anyone off. He believes the city is better off with employees working.
This is one of the reasons why governments have reserves. This is one of the reasons why we have a Tabor reserve. And if it can't be used for a crisis like this, I don't know what it can be used for.
At the county level, the budget doesn't rely as much on sales tax like cities, and there aren't plans as of now to leave workers without pay.
Finance people are running models and doing everything they can to kind of try to understand what this is going to look like.
Based on the tax collection date, cities like Pueblo tell me they likely won't know the economic hit they've taken for the next couple of months. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Allison Zimmerman, News 5.